Have you noticed how algorithms gain more autonomy every day? They approve loans, trade stocks, set prices, all in milliseconds, far from human sight. Letting the machine run on its own is tempting, but there's a silent risk. When we delegate decisions mindlessly, we transfer not only efficiency, but also our biases, blind spots, and weaknesses. Stoic compliance exists precisely to keep technology from turning into tyranny. First, we apply wisdom. We audit data sources, ask who benefits, and demand transparency before a single line of code reaches production. Without an honest diagnosis, no model deserves trust. Next comes justice. Every algorithm must balance rights, not reinforce inequalities. If AI denies credit in the same neighborhood every time, or suggests harsher sentences for a specific group, it violates the basic duty of organizational fairness. That's why models need equity metrics, independent reviews, and a whistleblowing channel that works for humans, and against machine errors. Then we summon courage. When we detect shady behavior, we pause the system, even if it delays targets or frustrates shareholders. Courage is saying no to immediate profit when integrity is at stake. In the long run, fines and a damaged reputation cost far more than any monthly KPI. Finally, we practice temperance. Not every AI feature needs to be used just because it exists. Temperance is the brake that asks, does this automation make the process more ethical or merely faster? Innovation alone isn't enough. It must align with timeless values. When wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance guide the codebase, the organization builds a true ethical firewall. A well-defined compliance framework supplies the procedural gears, clear policies, assigned responsibilities, continual risk assessments. Stoicism supplies the moral fuel, the notion that integrity is a daily choice, not an annual checklist. Governing machines, at its core, means training character in the cloud. Anyone who internalizes this principle turns every deploy into an act of responsible leadership. If we want to harvest trust, we must plant virtue, even among chips and algorithms. Before you roll out the next version of autonomous AI, stop and reflect. Are you really in control, or did you just hit enter and hope for the best? That answer shapes not only your company's reputation, but the legacy you leave for the entire tech ecosystem. Thanks for watching. If this content brought you value, like the video, share it, and follow on Stoic Compliance so you don't miss our next insights on Stoic compliance in the age of artificial intelligence. See you soon!